page 1, Damian Anderson. No attorney.
First case this morning is State versus Damian Anderson appearances.
Antoinette Rich appears for the state. The defendant appears in person, in custody, without an attorney.
Good morning. We've got two cases on the calendar this morning. They're set for a status. The public defender has not assigned an attorney to your cases yet. You can't move forward until you get a lawyer assigned. I'll have to give you another status date.
Status conference, April 2nd at 8:30.
I'll make a finding of good cause to waive any time limits for holding a preliminary hearing.
How many times is for the same reason? Put in my due process motion.
Do you want me to give you a motion for the judge and you can talk to the judge?
Yeah.
We'll give you a motion date in front of the judge.
Thank you.
Motion hearing, March 18th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Top page 1, Dennis Yanish. You were 5 minutes out, so. Dennis Yanish.
State versus Dennis Yanish appearances.
Kelsey Blumenfeld appears for the state. The defendant appears in person without counsel. Good morning.
All right, good morning. Mr. Yanish, we're here for a status conference. And the public defender's looking for a lawyer for you. They don't have one signed. We'll have to give you-
I am trying to hire a lawyer, but I have like $1,000. I need $2,500 more.
Okay. I'll give you another status date.
Thank you.
I'll make a finding of good cause to waive any time limits for holding a preliminary hearing. Set it out for status and the deputies may hand it court notice.
Thank you.
Status conference, April 17th at 8:30.
Top page 2, Tori Harris.
State versus Tori Harris appearances.
Kelsey Blumenfeld appears for the state. The defendant appears in person without counsel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Harris, we're here for a status conference. You're going to hire an attorney, is that right?
Yes. I'm fine with that. I can't get away. It's not a virus or anything.
Okay, so you're still trying to get a lawyer?
Yes.
Is that right? Okay. And you're trying to use the money that you posted for bond?
Yes.
So you posted $7,500 in cash for bond. Is there any victims we should be aware of?
There are not.
What did you want me to do with the bond?
Signature?
Did you post the money for bond?
Wife.
Oh, I'm sorry, okay. Your family did.
Yeah.
Have you talked to lawyers?
Yes.
And you still living on 6th Street?
Yes.
And are you getting the text message reminders for court?
Yes.
All right, state want to be rid of this?
Yes, Commissioner. This was previously addressed back at his hearing in January. charges. He's being a source of a large amount of fentanyl in the community, so we do believe that cash is appropriate, especially given the substance involved. We would ask that cash remain as that.
All right, so with regard to the motion to modify bond, I guess what's concerning to the court is the guns and drugs that are alleged in the complaint. At this point, I'll deny the motion to modify bond, so we'll give you another status date.
I don't want to keep on.
We'll give you another status date. You need a lawyer to move forward.
Status conference, April 16th at 8:30.
So we'll give you a court notice, and you got stuff to get tested, and you're all set.
At page 2, Kevin Krause.
State first is Kevin Krause appearances.
Antoinette Rich appears for the state. The defendant appears in person, in custody, without an attorney.
Good morning.
Good morning.
With regard to this, we're here for a status. I think you were hiring an attorney, is that right?
I'm working on it, yes.
Okay, you still working on it?
Yes, I am.
Have you got an attorney in mind?
I'm trying to save the money for one.
Okay,
I have other things I've been helping with.
okay. All right, we'll give you another status date. I'll make a finding of good cause to waive any time limits for holding the preliminary hearing, and we'll set it out for another court date.
Okay.
Status conference, April 10th at 8:30.
Top page 1, Kimberly Marino, Attorney Kuhn.
I'm sorry, who's this?
This is Kimberly Marino.
Is it, what do you say last name?
Mara.
Close enough. State first is Kimberly Marino, appearances.
Kelsey Blumenfeld appears for the state.
Attorney Addison Kuhn appears with Kimberly Baranow, who appears in person in custody.
All right, we're here on 3 cases.
Yes, they're all set for statuses. At this time, we are looking for contested preliminary hearing date, please.
Okay, we'll give you a preliminary hearing date.
Preliminary hearing, March 26th at 9 a.m.
That's fine, thank you.
I'm actually out that morning. Is it possible to do the 27th?
We'll look at the court calendar and see what we got available.
Thank you.
We can do the 27th that night.
That's fine, thank you.
Page 3, Cameron Hallbrook, Attorney Kuhn.
State first is Cameron Holbrook, appearances.
Antoinette Rich appears for the state.
Cameron Holbrook appears in person in custody with Attorney Addison Kuhn.
Good morning. We're here for a hearing. I received a waiver form. Mr. Holbrook, did you talk to your lawyer about waiving the hearing? At a preliminary hearing, the state calls witnesses to testify to prove probable cause that a felony has been committed, that you probably
final reading, we'd ask the not guilty pleas entered all counts. Mr. Holbrook does have a change of plea hearing scheduled for April 21st in Branch 9, if we could set this for a change of plea along with those other cases.
Okay.
Thank you.
Page 3, read Gelinskey, attorney.
Okay. Next is State versus Reed Gelinskey appearances.
Brooke Erickson appears for the state. Members of the victim's family are also present in court in the gallery.
Reed Gelinskey appears in person with attorneys Francesca Ballesteri and Alex Hahn.
We're here for the preliminary hearing. The party's ready.
We're prepared to waive the preliminary hearing this morning. I believe co-counsel filed the waiver form.
I do have it. Okay, Mr. Gelinskey, did you talk to your lawyers about waiving the preliminary hearing?
Yes, I did.
At a preliminary hearing, the state calls witnesses to testify to prove probable cause that a felony has been committed and that you probably committed it. By waiving the hearing, you're agreeing the state can prove probable cause and I can order you to stand trial on the charges. Did you understand what the waiver meant?
Yeah, I did.
Did anyone make any threats or promises to force you to waive the hearing?
No, I did.
Do you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily waive the hearing?
Yes.
All right, based on the foregoing and the facts in the complaint, I find there is probable cause that this defendant committed the alleged felony in the criminal complaint. I'm gonna bind him over to stand trial on the charge. And then with regard to the arraignment, do the parties wanna go forward today?
No, Your Honor. We did file a request for a reverse waiver. I believe we already have a date picked out in front of the assigned branch.
Okay, we'll give you a reverse waiver hearing.
Thank you.
Reverse waiver hearing, June 16th at 1:30.
Thank you.
Thank you.